Okay. Hi, everyone. This is our test automation meeting, which is happening on May 7th, 2020. And just a reminder, this is a public meeting and will be recorded and posted onto YouTube. So with that, let's go over the GRES. So I have a couple in progress items over here. And there are also many in progress items from this list. There are some tasks in future. So we can just quickly go over with the other tickets as well. Any questions on these tickets? Any updates people want to provide?
Thorsten here.
Hi, Thorsten.
For my ticket, 2533.
Okay.
That's this. You wrote a review for me to merge the suite set up.
Yes.
Into the common suite robot.
So there is.
But please remind my if I will do. Can I go on or?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. If I would merge my implementation to the ML files, because I use another structure for the when use. It's like for the OLTs. Maybe you can open my YAML file.
This one?
Yes, I think this should be this one, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and there you can see all the OLTs I have defined. And in the host part, the upper part is the same as you already have. But the part in the hosts, I have a new structure. Because each OLT has another UNI serial number with a running number at the fourth position. Go down. You see there is a running number.
Mm-hmm.
It increases, and this is only possible to make it in this way. And if I would merge now my implementation to the common part, we have to change all the existing how do you call these files? We call it YAML in Germany. How do you call it?
Right,
YAML?
yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have to change all the YAML files and we have to change some robot files too. It's not so easy. It's a little bit work and a little bit more effort than expected.
Okay, so are you talking to towards this? 1 second, let me see, where is the comment?
This must be your content.
This one, right?
Yes, right.
Towards this comment, right here.
Yes.
So you're saying that because my comment on this patch was that, or here we wanted to see if we can change the existing common test suite setup. So you're saying that it won't be possible.
It's not impossible. It's a lot of work.
Okay.
But we have to change the YAML file, the common YAML file and existing YAML files to the new structure or a similar structure, whatever, when we use multiple OLTs.
Mm. Okay, but are you? Yeah, maybe we can take this offline and then I can recheck and then try to execute this. I think Hardik might also have some comments or some questions towards it. I'm not sure. I don't know if Hardik is on the call today.
Yes, Suchitra, I'm here, but I haven't got the chance to look at it again today, as you asked me yesterday. I
Okay.
was kind of occupied with the other test case scenario. So maybe after this call, I can take a look at it. If not, maybe tomorrow morning. So,
Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah, so Torsten, can you give us one more day, and by Friday we can merge this test case if you don't mind?
You can have the next day. We have holiday tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
No problem.
Okay. But the thing is,
So
Mhm. Go ahead.
no, I'm finished.
All right. Yeah, thank you. I know that Hardik also executed this test and everything works fine. It's just that I was trying to see if we can optimize it. That is all. So if I can, I will. I understood your comments about this, and let me recheck on this. And if we are fine, then is it okay if we just go ahead and then merge it when I resolve the conflicts?
one thing I would like to have here is the make file, the make target, which I have commented on the patch also.
For the
Yes, you're right. I didn't make it till now because I work for the ONU Go adapter the
Oh,
last
okay.
time mainly. So I will do it, and I
Yeah,
know
if you can
how.
do it, yeah, I think after that it will be a complete set that we can merge. It
Yeah,
will be
make
easier.
mhm. Make file. Did you already create a patch? You are saying Hardik? Did you
No,
create?
no, 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 no. On this patch, I've commented to add the make
Okay.
file. Yeah.
Okay.
I will do it, Sushitra. I will do it,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I didn't till
Yeah,
now.
sure. No problem. I think we can
Mm.
also merge this and then do the make file in a different patch set also. That should be okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
sure. Sounds good. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Somewhere in this list, I make some hints. I can't see it now. A little bit more text. Hi all. Stop. For patch set 8. I think there. Is it there?
Patch set 8. This one?
Down. I wrote something.
You wrote something here.
There's. I think
Okay.
there. I try to describe the. That's what I said.
Okay.
Maybe you can take a look at this, and if you don't understand, please write me, and we can explain it, or we make a call next week.
Okay. Sure.
Yes,
Sounds good.
but fine. That's all. Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much, Torsten. I think this is complete, almost done, and then hopefully we can close that. Just okay. Anything else, Torsten, from your side?
For this moment, no. The other ticket I don't see for the
It's
UNO
because
adapter.
it's under the OpenONU Go.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, it is on the other one you were saying, Torsten.
there's a up.
This one.
Yes. I work. I'm with close connection with the developer of the ONU adapter, and they have daily new requirements for the tests. Therefore, it's WIP.
So if I may suggest something that I spoke to Holger and Michael about, what I would do is that you decide a point in time where you want this merged. And then you do small incremental updates to it. To me, it's much better because, again, if you chase the development, it's hard. and it becomes a huge test case that it's never getting merged and it's never getting tested in Gerrit on the patches. So what I would do is, as soon as you have the make file there working too, we just merge it.
Okay, Andrea, I understand. I will make a small issue. Maybe I will do it in the next hour. And then I will remove the WIP and then you can merge it if everything is fine.
That is perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Make sure to send me an email or a ping on Slack whenever that is done.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I will do. I hope I will not forget it.
Okay. So those are the only 2 items from you, I guess. That's what I see. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Torsten. All right. All right, Hema. I think I hope this is already merged.
Yeah, that got merged, but still in not ready state.
Okay.
I'll move this down here.
All right, so we have to just get it ready state. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. This is fine. So maybe you can just close this, Hema. I think that should be
Yeah, sure, I'll close it.
okay. Let me go over the other list where we have many in progress items here. All right, so there is something else from Gayatri, which is in progress. I think this is something new, so we don't need to worry about it. One task for Zach, a Golang linked test.
Yeah, that I think has been backburnered. Basically, it's an integration with the integration with Garrett, and I intend to do that sometime, but I haven't reevaluated it since we've containerized the Golang CI lint process.
Okay. Do you think we can move this to
Let's
.4?
put it in future if it hasn't already been in future.
It is in future. Correct.
Okay.
Okay, I'll leave this in future then.
Okay.
Thank you, Zach. Andrea, enable support for multiple OLTs with one axe switch. I think this is done.
That's actually merged.
Yeah, that's
Sorry,
right.
I didn't know that. Sorry, that's my bad.
No problem. Yeah, this is done. That's good. And there is one more for you, Andrea. Is that Andrea? Yeah. Test and verify DT workflow.
Oh, so that's a good point. So I spoke today with Amit, and he said that they're momentarily reverting to 1T.1 gem for testing because of some of the issues that they were seeing with the 1T.8 gem with the Zircomo new. They demonstrated that this is not Volta related, so we are not don't work with the 1T.8 gem at the moment. So I've actually moved back the job. I have a patch right now today on Gerrit to push the default tech profile instead of the 1T.8 gem. And I think that really is still in progress. As soon as I see a successful run with the 1T.1 gem tech profile, I'm just going to close it.
Okay, thank you. And another one for you. Zircomo.
Yeah, that's again same discussion. That's in progress, and that's going to stay in progress for a long time until we fix the 1T.8. Until they fix the 1T.8 gem issue, and we can bring back the pod to that tech profile. So I don't expect any update on this for a long time. Well, a long time, some weeks at least.
Oh, okay. All right, sure. Thanks, Andrea.
No problem.
There is another. Oh, okay. So this is OLT soft reboot, Hema. That's fine. Okay. So anybody from Netsia? Is Emran on the call? Okay. This is for Girish. I will talk to him about it and validate data plane functionality. I think Andrea has a good progress on this, I suppose. Sorry, Andy. Andy, are you on the call? Okay, not sure, but I know that he already integrated this and he's trying to get these data plane verification jobs on the onto the nightly jobs, and he's still testing on the on one of the parts right now. So I see some chat messages from Imran. Okay. Okay, Suraj, about your data plane patch. I see that you have already submitted and it's fine right now, but we still need to check your patch and again make some suggestions on the patch and then see how we can integrate onto the nightly jobs. So I have put this patch here for the PBit verification data plane. So this I will talk to Andy about it. Oh, okay. So the 2053, I don't think this is done. This must be still in progress, but 2052 is already done, which Andy worked on. And I think the rest of the story can wait, and we don't need to have any action items there. I think that's good. So before I move forward, are there any other concerns from anyone?
Hi, Suchitra. Hardik here again.
Hey.
One of my patches yet to emerge, which we put on hold because of the multi-controller thing, where I've removed the not ready tags for the disable enable of the OLT. So,
Right. Yes, that I don't think I can merge it today as well because I'm seeing a lot of issues on the multi-controller. I already made some changes. Looks like there are some additional changes that still need to be made. I need some confirmations from Jono about it, and few things are not working as expected. So after investigation and once the tests are fixed, then we can merge yours.
okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So another update is I'm working on that OLT bond for test case, and I have a patch up on Jared for both ATT as well as DT workflows. I have verified that with Hema on the Infosys pod, and it is working fine. On Tucson, it was failing earlier, but I've made some changes and currently it is running. So just in this process, if it passes, because it's failing earlier for some timeouts. So I don't know if this is something to the Jenkins timeouts that we gave, or what is the exact failure, because it is not even generating the robot results.
I'm sorry, probably I missed the which test exactly.
The OLT PON port, it's 2577 work item.
Okay.
Yes. So
All right.
So I verified this for the ATT workflow on the Infosys pod. So there it is working fine. On Tucson, it was failing earlier because of some timeouts. And but I've made some changes and it's currently running. So if it fails again, I might need some help with the timeouts to understand how that works.
Okay, but you're still testing the patch, right? The patch is not integrated.
It's not integrated. Yes, it's not integrated.
Okay, I get it. So yeah, so if you see the multi-controller test I have enabled on these flex pods, and then I'm seeing a lot of failures. Yesterday it was fine, and I need to look at that. And then there is this even 2.3 jobs are also failing for some reason. I don't know, maybe some checks need to be made for that, even though I put default settings and for these multi-controller on the other jobs, somehow it is failing. So I still need to look at those, and I think that is the result. Even the community pods, if you see that Infosys is also failing here, and even Berlin pod is also failing. So I'll take an action item to look into these jobs and then fix them as soon as possible. Okay. Any other concerns from anyone? Is there anything else that we need to talk about, JIRAs or patches from anyone? Okay, so let's go ahead with the next item. The item that I put on the agenda is about the manual jobs. How we are doing the verification on the manual jobs, and what changes we are doing and how we are building them, and making changes to the local directories on the Jenkins in order to test some test cases. Last night I worked to get the Infosys pod onto it, but when I was trying to refine the templates of the manual jobs, it didn't work. So I'm afraid that I might have to move this to the next call. I was planning to give a demo of how things work for manual jobs and how we usually do and test various cases before we merge tests onto the nightly jobs. So I'll take it to the next meeting, and by then I should be able to create some more manual jobs for Infosys as well. And there are some template enhancements that I'm making for the manual jobs. So once all these are done, then I should be able to provide a demo next week. I'm hoping to target this for next week, definitely. So anything else from anyone? I didn't have any other items to talk about. Okay, thanks everyone. We'll talk again next week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.